How would you like an invitation to tour some of Hilton Head's finest yachts in the newly deepened Harbor Town Yacht Basin and mingle with the marvelous? Well, consider yourself invited by our own Robin Townsend from last weekend's Yacht Hop.
Hi, I'm Robin. I'm your host today, and we're here at the Hospice of the Low Country Yacht Hop. We have beautiful yachts and boats all around us, and this is the Hospice largest fundraiser of the year, so I understand. So we're going to be going on board boats, having a fantastic time, so come along as we do some interview and enjoy our afternoon. Captain, and you're Captain who?
Captain Morgan, of course.
Captain Morgan, oh, that's kind of scary. And you've taken red of your black heart today.
I have. Trying to encourage people to open up their wallets for hospice care in the Low Country.
Well, that's good. And I see you're one of our board members.
We are, yep.
Good.
Yep, I am.
And which one of these are yours, Captain Morgan?
Oh, actually, they all are today.
All today?
I'm a pirate, you see.
Okay, you took them.
We take them all.
I understand that. And tell us again, we've asked different ones, but we'd love to hear why you participate in this hospice event.
Hospice Care Low Country is such a wonderful organization. We don't turn anybody away for their financial ability to pay or do anything. And we want to get the word out that we've got strong competition. We've got actually 7 for-profit hospices that have come to our area that have actually now started to get in on some of our patients. And so we're trying to get the word out to let everyone know that we need people's support. We need to remember Hospice Care Low Country. We are the only non-profit hospice in our area, and as we said, we turn no one away for their ability to pay.
Well, this is such a wonderful setting. I can imagine it makes people feel wonderful about being involved.
Most definitely.
And we look forward to being back with you in 2015.
Please come on back. We'd love to have you. You all come back now.
Here.
Thank you.
We're here with Andy Twisdale. Andy, tell us what brings you here to the Yacht Hop today.
Well, I am the honorary admiral of the 2014 Yacht Hop. As a Goodwill ambassador, my job has been to help bring as many people as possible to this event. And you see we have perfect weather, we have perfect music, and great food and wonderful boats.
So you've become an advocate, in other words?
It's one of the greatest things in our community. Of over 200 volunteers helping a family experience the end of life.
Well, we appreciate your being here with us today, and it's an honor to speak to an admiral, so thank you for having us.
My pleasure, and tell all your friends that every year we have a Yacht Hop. It's a wonderful event.
So we'll be watching for 2015 to mark our calendars.
That's correct. Thanks, Robin.
Thank you. But what a fun event to do this, and we couldn't ask for a better day here in the Low Country.
Absolutely beautiful. We have a live auction happening later in the evening, silent auction which is in the tent, our fabulous sponsors. We have New River Auto Mall right behind me, wonderful supporters of Hospice Care of the Low Country, Fidelity, Golf, etc., many more.
Well, thank you. We appreciate your time, Darlene. Now we're going to go check out your silent auction, see some of your sponsors, and have a great afternoon. Darlene, thank you for having us.
Thank you so much.